Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Very important day for the crypto market. Solana is going down, Bitcoin is going down, crashing down, everything, Ethereum. I do not know from where to start, but one thing is for sure, I'm going to show you something that even BlackRock wouldn't invest to. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. You're going to take easy profits, even on a bearish market. We are taking short positions, do not worry about anything. Look at the tires and decide for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start right now. For BTC right here, it is the Fibonacci that we draw from the top to the bottom, and look at that. The 0.236 Fibonacci retracement, 24.3, 24.4k. We could not manage to close above. You can see right here that the green candlestick was at the 24.305, where we should close at the 24.32. Around there was the closing condition and we couldn't get it. Look at that. It has a small tiny gap. I'm not sure if you can see that, but I can see that as well. I'm in the logarithmic scale, so if you want to draw it by yourself, go and do it from the top of the cycle to the bottom of the cycle right here. And we couldn't have something else than a correction coming in, because even BlackRock saw that. Even BlackRock wouldn't invest in that. They would not go into that, and they knew that Bitcoin would have a correction coming in. They didn't even buy a single thing right there. Okay, so they are waiting for the Bitcoin's price to move even further down. Now, what's the case for BTC against USDT chart? We are going to the daily frame. You saw the huge crash coming in. Actually, even in the 1 hour frame, we had a minus 6% in Bitcoin. That's one of the hugest correction I have ever seen for BTC chart. And we are going now to draw the fib from the bottom to the top. And we have something very hugely important right here. In this day, we are having the 21.9k to 22k as a resistance level right now. But I think that if we manage to close above this one line right here, the daily frame, the 21.2k, the 22k, then we are going to go maybe have a little bit of a small buy pressure. In overall though, I will be telling you what's going to happen. Let's go in the lower time frames. For the time being, what Bitcoin is going to have right now, it is that it is going to have a lower high, lower low pattern. Even if you have here a buying pressure and we go a little bit further up, we will be going down, then going up, then going down, making new lower lows, new lower highs, and this will be the end for BTC chart, going a little bit further down than the maybe 21k as well. Okay, we might be going further down than 21k. I'm thinking that BTC is going to go a little bit further down than we expect. What I'm thinking about as a general price action, it will be either for BTC to retest the 19Ks around there, or BTC to make a bear trap down from the 17.7K to the 16K and have a long, crazy buying pressure that it will lead to its next bull cycle. This is about to happen over the next few days, over the next few weeks, but in overall, what I'm thinking about BTC is that it is going to have a bear trap. Anyway, for the time being for BTC, what I'm thinking about is that if we go to the 4 hour frame and we draw the fib, let's say from this bottom right here, okay, you can see that from this bottom to this top, you will see that we are having the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement line right here, which serves as a great support level in the lower time frames, the 21.6k. Drawing the fib from this bottom to this top, it serves as a very huge support level. That's why I'm thinking that maybe it is more than enough to go and retest, maybe even today, the 22.1 to 22.2k. We will see about that though. Okay, I'm not so optimistic about the bullish price action. I'm just seeing a little bit that we are having a huge oversold situation right here in the lower time frames, and therefore I'm thinking that maybe we are going to see a little bit of a buying pressure coming in, although the oversold situation in the lower time frames won't be working so much. What I mean by that is that we are going to have a little bit of a buying pressure coming in, and then we are going to go further down. Okay, so do not trust that we are going all the way up. It is the best thing that we can do right now to go to the 22.3k, and maybe after we go further down. Anyway, for the time being for BTC, we had a nice crash going on in the 1 hour frame. Look at that, minus 4%. absolutely insane, and it was even lower at a -6%. Huge crash coming in, and we couldn't make anything else rather than to go down and have a crash. And also, people saw this in the 4-hour frame, and in the 4-hour frame right here, okay, we closed below. If you can see that, actually in this 4-hour frame, we closed below the 23.1k to 23.2k. This line was the most important line for BTC, and what we did was we got down here, and this candlestick right there brought the message to the Feds, so we can go and crash even more, because the 23.1k was the most important support level to hold. If we were about to lose the 23.1k, we should expect a crash coming in, and therefore this is what happened. Okay, this was a message to the Feds that we are going to go further down, and this is why they pushed the price even further down. Now, if we get a buying pressure, do not be surprised right here. It is mainly because of the oversold situation of the lower time frames, but in overall, if we go to the daily frame right now, we are going to see that the RSI is not in an oversold situation. The commodity channel index is, yeah, but I would look more into the RSI, and you can see that we are not going down below the 30s yet. I'm thinking that the way I'm seeing that this was indeed what we called a bear flag. Okay, I would agree with these types that this was a bear flag right here, and we should be going further down. And this is why we had this huge correction coming in for the next few hours. I'm expecting a little bit of a buying pressure, not something spectacular. Maybe we are going to retest the bottom trend line. We will see about that, but who knows? In overall, we are totally bearish, and because we closed below the 24.3k, this is now the case that we are going to drop down furthermore, and we are going to go into the lows of the 20k. But I'm not into the position that many people are saying actually that BTC is going to 11k. I do not think that. Okay, I do not think that BTC is going to 11k. Personally, I'm thinking that we are going to float around here sideways, maybe have a bear trap, going back up. Okay, this is what I think. If we go to 11k, this is not good. Okay, because yeah, Bitcoin will go to 11k. Yeah, you will have the chance to buy. At the end of the day, though, nothing is for sure. Thinking that BTC, for example, is going maybe not to achieve the 69k sooner than the next bull cycle. Okay, so yeah, you do not want Bitcoin to go to 11k, and it would be a disaster for the long term. Okay, for the long run, because we have the risk of not achieving again the 69k for some years to come. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.